Hello everyone. Now in this video we will be learning the new case studies which has been introduced in the SCMPE syllabus which is applicable for May 2021/July 2021 examination. Alright. One of the first cases which has come in the new case study material that has been introduced by the institute is on BA aircraft. Friends, first I will give you an overview about what is BA aircraft and then we will go slide by slide and we will read through this whole thing. As already mentioned, it is an aircraft company. Okay. So as an airline sector, it was having its major revenue from passenger transport and expenditures are mainly petrol cost will be there and all the other regular costs like salary cost etc. will be coming up. But now what happened is due to extensive competition, the revenue has been slashed. That is part one. The second part is about the expenditure. Now, as you all are aware, petrol costs are going up. In fact, in many places it has even touched 100 rupees per litre. So the taxes on petrol goes up, the expenditure suddenly goes up. So that is affecting this company very badly and it has many expenses happening in dollars. So what happens is if earlier the dollar rate was, let us say 65, now if the dollar rate becomes 70, their expenditure again goes up. So now what is the major challenge that BA aircraft is facing is that their revenue has come down, expenditure has gone up, due to which they are not able to survive in the industry. Now the solution for this is this BA aircraft can look for two types of competitive advantages. One is called as competitive advantage and the other one is called as low cost advantage. Low cost advantage means somehow try reducing the cost. Uncontrollable costs cannot be controlled. For example, petrol you cannot control, dollar going up you cannot control. But now what we can do is we can reduce the baggage allowance. We don't have to give food free of cost to these customers. By doing so, we can reduce the cost. And when we talk about competitive advantage, inside that the second point is what we call it as differentiation advantage. It means normally when we want to become better compared to another company, we are having two options. Option one, low cost. Try reducing the cost. If you reduce the cost, automatically what will happen? We will be able to get more customers. Two, give something different compared to what the others are doing. Friends, if you do the same thing what others do, you have no value. But if you do something what others do not do, that is where you create a real value for yourself. So that is where we come up with a differentiation advantage. Here, what you have to do is we can give something different compared to others. For example, you can provide some entertainment inside the flight. You can come up with any unique idea. By doing so, you can try reducing the cost. You can bring some uniqueness to your airline and by that doing so, your profits can actually go up. Let us now go through the slideshow and understand this one by one. BA is the second largest airline in the country. Okay. By 2025, it is expected to be the third largest airport market in the world and just behind USA and China. Aviation turbine fuel, that is the petrol what I was talking about, is 40% of the total cost. Okay. And it is taxed in India is very, very high compared to it being taxed anywhere else. Not only that, currency depreciation. Earlier, if dollar was 65, now dollar has become 70. Due to all these things and due to the competitors also there, BA is forced to give discounts to the customers also. So now they are in a very, very tough situation. What do they do? So as I told you earlier, as per Michael Porter's theory, a firm must meet two criteria. Criteria number one, they must supply what the customers want to buy. We should exactly give what customers want. There is absolutely no use of we giving something else. If customers do not need it, then our efforts are becoming a waste. Two, we should be able to survive the competition. For surviving the competition, we are having two types of advantages over here. Low cost advantage, differentiation advantage. So once you do a low cost advantage, the cost will come down. Differentiation, you are going to provide something different. By doing so, you will be able to survive in the market. Following can be the low cost advantage that you can provide. You can sell seats via internet rather than through travel agents. A very good point. By doing so, intermediary commission is removed. Two, do not give any printed tickets. Printing cost will go up. Seat allocation you can do, okay, based on online tickets. Free meals you can provide. Free drinks also, you don't have to provide free meals and drinks. Do it on a chargeable basis. No flexibility for customers who are arriving late. They are late, let them go. By doing so, maybe you will lose 5% of the customers, but you will be able to hold on with the competition. Differentiation advantage, the following points are mentioned over here. Use better technology, okay? Well maintained and clean and comfortable aircraft. Training should be given to customer care so they can be much better and more efficient. Recruit high quality people, provide in-flight entertainment, give high quality food and drink, but now let it be on a chargeable basis. By doing so, this company can have a very good leading advantage, both on based on low cost and differentiation. I hope this video is clear to all of you friends. Thank you so much.